Justin Edwards.
And I'm Jalen Pearson.
Here with Raidercast BG, broadcasting from Warney's High School in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel as we'll be releasing behind-the-scenes footage from our production these past few months.
This episode is part of a national competition, so please watch to the end to support our school. You're going to see a series of 4 and fun-packed segments produced by our business and marketing classes. We designed all 4 episodes for the target audience ages 25 through 40. We did our best to create Corvettes throughout the episode, since Bowling Green is home of the vet.
Before we get into the episode, we need to give a shout out to our platinum sponsors. These businesses have donated resources valued at $500 or more. We could not have done it without them.
Men's Health BG,
Trent Betting,
ABL Photography,
Conundrum Workshop,
Salon 222. Throughout the show, we'll be asking you Corvette trivia questions. Here's our first one.
How many Corvettes do you think are made each day in Bowling Green? The answer is 186 a day.
Let's jump into our first segment, Campus Unsolved.
Where students are being trapped in an escape room by their own mascot. Will they escape?
Who knows?
Is everybody okay? Where are we?
I think we're on some kind of alien spaceship. Wait. Crap!
This obviously isn't a spaceship, Damon.
Guys, we're locked in!
No, we're not. Come on.
You are trapped here because of what you did to my house. Yes, you know exactly what you did.
I didn't throw an egg. I just found it on the ground.
Look, it's flashlights.
No, it's not. It's black lights.
You can talk?
Of course I can. I just choose not to talk to people like you.
Guys, we only have 3 minutes.
Check out the walls.
Oh, that's kind of scary. What? Come over here, smart ones.
Guys, look. There's an S.
Oh, and there's a T and an E.
And another E.
But I don't see any more. Steve? Oh, there's an R.
Steer. But what's the 3 for? What's any of this for? Guys, we just need to find something that goes to steer. Look, there's a steering wheel.
Oh yeah, I saw that a while ago.
Well, don't just stand there. Somebody turn it or something. Well, maybe that's what the 3 was for.
Well, my dad works on cars, so I'm pretty experienced.
Doesn't take an expert to know how to turn a wheel. 1, 2, 3.
A bunch of random pieces.
Now what do we do?
It's a lock.
Up, down. There it goes.
We can finally escape the aliens!
Come on!
Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed our first segment, Campus Unsolved. My name is Marcus and I'm here with Faith.
Stay tuned to the end to find out if they escape. Thanks so much to Kim McCutcheons of Conundrum Workshop for letting us use his escape room. Also, thanks to his wife for getting our Sonic drinks. Alright Marcus, give us our next Corvette trivia question.
Alright, what year was the first Corvette produced?
If you guessed 1953, you're correct. The Corvette C1 premiered on June 30th, 1953 in Flint, Michigan.
Let's check out our next segment, All Access, where we get behind the scenes footage from the Tennessee Titans.
I'm
Austin Rigsby here with Kevin Coleman. We're going to be talking about the Titans equipment.
Yeah, absolutely excited to be showing this to you guys today. Everything that you guys are looking at is official team issued, so this is exactly what the players are wearing on game days, what you see them in on Sundays. We do have some helmets here for you guys to look at today, pretty exciting. So there's 3 different helmets across the tables. The league actually offers well over 20 different helmet options for the players to choose from, so definitely take a look at those. It's really cool to kind of see, get a feel for what the players are in every day. Tons of different cleats too, obviously different positions are wearing different styles. So we've got some receiver cleats here. These are more like what you see the linebackers, DBs wearing. These are some offensive line cleats. These are actually size 18. Roger Saffold's got some big boy feet, so we've got some big cleats here as well. I know we've got some people checking out the jerseys over here too, but tons of different jersey options. We've got all 3 different color schemes that we have. Obviously you guys see that we mix and match those, but everything here is really cool to kind of get a feel for what you're seeing the players in.
I heard you say about how the cleats are for different players' positions. Is that goes for the helmets too?
It kind of depends. So the helmets do somewhat break down by position, but it's more so about personal preference. A lot of the guys like to wear what they wore in high school. It's what they're comfortable with. So the helmets aren't quite as particular position-wise. You will see a difference in face mask. So this is more like a skill position face mask here, a little bit lighter. It's not going to be as obstructive with the helmet that he has on over there. Like he's wearing right here, this is going to be a little bit more protection, harder to get your fingers into it. Really going to help those guys out in the trenches staying protected while they're trying to do their job.
Hi, I'm Cassandra and I'm here with
Tremaine.
And I'm going to be interviewing him about the Wonderlic test.
So the Wonderlic test is a test. It is an IQ test. It's given to all NFL prospects going to go to the NFL. The Wonderlic test is graded on a scale of 0 to 50, 50 being obviously the highest. There's only been one perfect 50 score. That was by a guy by the name of Pat McAnally, who played for the Cincinnati Bengals. And then the second highest score was a 48, scored by Ryan Fitzpatrick. Both of those guys went to Harvard and obviously played in the NFL.
Welcome back, I'm Timothy and I'm Ben. We hope you enjoyed that all access coverage. Thanks again to Tremaine, Easton, Justin, and Kevin for talking with us. We had a blast on that trip.
Let's check out our next trivia question. How many miles must a Corvette have before it can race on the National Corvette Museum's motorsports track?
So the guidelines state that Corvette must be broken in and have at least 2,000 miles before it's able to be on the track.
Huh, that's interesting. Makes sense though, gotta stay safe. Well, we hope you're gonna enjoy our next segment, Girlfriend Glove. We've chosen 2 seniors to compete who can do the best makeup. The twist is, the subjects are twins, so there'll be no room to complain about cheekbone or eyelash length whenever the subjects are practically the same, and these boys have no idea what they're doing.
Salon 222, where we will be filming our Girlfriend Glow Up segment. Let's head inside to meet our models. Hi, my name is Brooklyn, and these are our models, Chloe and Zoe, for Girlfriend Glow Up. Who's older?
I'm older by 2 minutes.
And who do you think's the favorite?
Me. I think I'm the favorite.
Why do you think you're the favorite?
My mom just likes me more.
That's a very good answer. So, who do you think will win the contest?
Me, because my face is naturally pretty and I'm just obviously going to look better.
How do you feel about that, Chloe?
I don't think her team's going to win.
Alright, well, we will see. I have one final question for you guys. How do you feel about getting your makeup done by these guys today?
I can't wait to see what happens. I'm nervous. I hope
This is our first makeup artist, Caden. Do you have any experience with makeup?
No, not at all.
What is your inspiration to how you do makeup?
My grandma taught me.
Who do you think will win this battle?
Me. No, the girls are the real winners.
This is our second makeup artist, Aiden. Do you have any experience with makeup?
Literally none.
Who is your inspiration for makeup?
Como?
Who do you think will win this battle?
I think I take the win easily.
You can help me so you don't look like a clown. She's gonna look perfect. Little goes a long way. Listen, her foundation looks perfect. What should I do next after the foundation? Or whatever it's called. Oh, okay. What do I do with that? Oh. How do I clean that off?
Oh my gosh.
Got that lathered.
Yes. This thing looks scary.
Okay, it's coming in. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm looking at glow. I'm looking at sheen. I think I have a winner. So I'm going to go with Caden. So congratulations, Caden.
Wow, looks like he needs to subscribe to James Charles' channel. Did you see all that foundation? Hey there, I'm Cassandra.
Yeah, what a mess. By the way, I'm Tony, here with the grand finale of our episode, School Duel.
But first, a trivia question. What Corvette model is this?
If you guessed C7, you guessed it correctly.
We'll see a showdown between America's muscle car and the symbol of American innovation.
Stay tuned to see who wins the ultimate race of a lifetime, school nerd or jock.
Hey, you know it's not gonna work for you if you let your car, right?
Mind your own business, you gearheaded bozo.
Who you calling a bozo? Aren't you Timmy Collins' kid? Yeah, your dad used to do my dad's physics homework back in the day.
Your dad was just a washed up football bench warmer. This Tesla could gap that fiberglass toy.
I got your racing machine will destroy your pretty electric car.
Oh yeah, fiberglass toy is nothing compared to this.
You're lying.
Morning, guys. This bozo thinks his fiberglass toy could beat my Tesla.
You call that?
Yeah.
The age-old question, right? Who's quicker than who? I'll tell you what, there's a racetrack over the way, you know. It's probably the safest and certainly most legal way to check it out. What do you think?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I know so. Well, we have an ABI photo finish right here, guys. You got to check this out. Dead heat. Photo. Dead heat.
Good race.
Dead heat.
Good race.
Good job, guys. Good job. Well done.
Wow, that really got my adrenaline pumping. What about you?
That was intense. Guess both cars deserve respect. By the way, I'm Bailey and I directed Girlfriend Glow, and I'm here today with Jarius.
Yeah, I was at the racetrack and it was so much fun. We want to give a special thanks to NCM Motorsports and Justin Reese for the Tesla, as well as race car driver Andy Pilgrim and Zach Rakavan for drone footage. We couldn't have done it without you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out our website, RaiderCastBG.com, to stay up to date with new content, our behind-the-scenes podcasts, and the campus tour winner.